Poonam Shukla 114028, and this is my 10th mobile application development lab. So here I am creating a fragment layout. So here I means from one fragment activity I am affecting, so it will affect my second one. So the output is gonna look like something like that. This you see. So if I am touching this fragment, so it's just changing the other one. So this is my list view and this is my text view. So I have two layouts. So I'll be having two Java classes file, and then if I'm touching this means sorry, if I'm clicking on this by touching, so this is means it is affecting the other activity. So now I'm going to explain how this is working. So I have main activity. So here what we have nothing. We just have two sorry, just one second. Yeah, I have yeah, we have two means two layout, two activities. In main we have two fragments, one for text view, another one is for the other one is for list view. So so this is for, and this is I have a text view. So here we are just inflating the and extending the fragment, and I'm just here with the view. I'm just uh, returning the view from this Java layout and accessing through this accessing the layout of the text view and storing into a object called text view. And then second, this is my layout of the text view. It's in uh, this color, and then that means it will be the text view will appear in the center, wrap content. And then now I'll come to my list view. So list view is something is just creating a number of color name, and then all these are in match parent and the ID, and these are the color that I'm using actually. So now main activity we are not doing anything, so everything will happen in the list activity because the list view is affecting the second one, and setting means text view is generating because we are affecting the list view. So first of all what we have to do, we have to inflate our view, inflate the this container. Okay, so first of all by using v, we are inflating it and returning the view. So this is like it's not connected to our parent file, that's why it's giving the false because they have 3 arguments. And then list view, it's initializing the view, converting it an explicit conversion, and then I'm creating one string array. So color, so it's creating all means these colors. So for fetching it I'm using an array adapter. So array adapter, by using the simple list view item 1 this from the resource file, it will access all this whatever the colors are present, and then I am setting my adapter by using the list view. And if I click on the list view, so how it's affecting, so for that we have function name called set on item click listener. So in that, first of all by using list view I am creating an object and converting into view, and then through that object I'm getting the text, means whatever the text it's in there, so what we are clicking actually, and then we are creating a fragment manager for because we have created fragments, so managing all the datas. So fragment manager by we'll find the means the conversion means initializing the means here what we are doing, the fragment finding fragment view fragment by ID. So this is my fragment 2. So fragment 2 I showed you for the text view. This is for text view by using the fragment manager, and the means the background color is changing for that if we are clicking the first activity, and the second, and then we have this is a text uh, frag. So here we are doing the same thing, means through the fragment manager object we are means making the object, means converting in fragment to, and then through that object we are setting the data. So what that means is when we click it, means if I'm clicking it, sorry, yeah, when I'm clicking this, so it will automatically changing the color. So means the text view, through the text view object we are having the same, means whatever the layout in the means array string contain, it will change into that color. So this was my 10th lab mobile application development lab. Thank you.